Hi friends, what did you not find out? Your mindset, inspiration, motivation, progress, success. What will you success in your lifestyle? Change and will be motivation. Inspire and motivated. What motivated in your lifestyle? Set on to your self motivation will be self your motivation skills be as a you have hard skills or soft skills. Will be do it now. We have a very soft skills or hard skills. Personal skills are development, making professions, or soft skills are clinicians and employ and will be success the or success will be plan getting and you have a any performance our friends our relatives any of the people's hard skills or technical skills required for jobs or will be jobs will be get will the hard skills. What will the hard skills or soft skills? As a hard skills missions operation computer programming a degree certificate will be hard skills. Soft skills will be communications and learning. How we learn in soft skills in your life. Learning and skills will be practice and regularly. Will be how to you learn soft skills or hard skills in your life. Will be any question or ask in your teacher or be listen. First of all, your mindset or change will be get self learn growth mindset will be positive or negative will be side you now negative or positive your mindset are 100% negative has a you have practice day by day you have practice day by day or improve your writing or speaking or lecturer. You have practice no more, no explanation. As a no practice, no job. As a no practice, no food. You have impossible, responsible, or less than more your life. Responsible or caring, like and helping nature on your responsible in your life. Any questions in your life? How did test yourself? How fast you will learn? If you want to your life game, if your life game change in your life, how did you change your life? Practice any performance and skills development and IT sector and will be change your life. Any skills about your life you have a how to learn in your skills and e-learning motivation books and Kuku FM motivation quotes. This will be day by day learn and listen and talk with your life and self learning how to your belief you can learn. You have success beliefs in your life. You have believe in your lifestyle. Yes, are you believe in your life? What will be you believe in life? Businessmen shall be as they explore independently or independently you have any accepted in your family reasons or anybody in your time management your skills or improve your time management skills above your skills. You have not improved your time management skills or you not a your skills support as a most experienced powerful weapon in your wall time management skills. How to your growth in your lifestyle, how to growth your time management skills, how to growth in your life. This listen audiobooks and reading and daily practice in your mistakes. You have a fixed mindset. this very fixed mindset in your life as a growth and your personal growth mindset all will be growth change a learn fixed mindset. A person fixed mindset a right they cannot change easily. They cannot always add ideas make them better. You have change